Tensions ran high in Jeffreys Bay as frustrated residents took to the streets calling for the removal of undocumented foreign nationals. SANDF and SAPS members were deployed and went door to door instructing undocumented residents to pack their belongings. Resident Zandisile Donkrat says people are losing faith in the march leaders, adding that every time there is a meeting between the march committee and police, there are no concrete results.
Phezolo sisithathe isigqibo esinemeeting phezolo before sibe nemarch nemarch besithathe isigqibo phezolo ingathi nina zikokheni asifeyila kuba i-report back andibuyi nayo. Niya i-police station andibuyi na-report back. Into enibuya nayo nina nisixelela into yobana hayi sisayinile thina into yokubana izahamba kanjani emashini mashi kwathi nini. Thina sithatha isigqibo ithini impendulo yaba bantu besikuthi asisiza kubo into yokuba ngaba imatshi esithathu le akabekho mpendulo. Abahlali bathi badiniwe ngoku masichithwe esi structure ngabahlali bazothathela isigqibo.
March leaders Pretty Ntsane and Chris Mdyaleka say they have made many attempts demanding SAPS to take action to remove illegal foreigners in town, yet they were ignored. That is why they have decided to resign today as March leaders.
Because now it is out of our hands. The community will go there, in the community will do their own thing, but it mustn't come back to us because we're not going to answer anything. Because you guys are not coming back to us because we give you 7 days, we didn't come back. Now it is out of our hands. There's no structure. I want it to be loud and clear. There's no structure. There's no Chris again. If something happened, you mustn't go to Chris' house because we disband the structure. No structure again.
So that is why now we're here today. We want to make it clear. We just follow up on the petition that was submitted 27th May. 27th May we were here, submitted the petition, the memorandum. And then we called the stakeholders. All of them, they were here in the police station. Only Home Affairs didn't come, didn't pitch. Immigrants. The best office that we want, because you can find out someone, because someone who have papers, we can't verify those papers if it's a valid papers or it's a fake papers.
Resident Mzianda Nyati accuses undocumented foreign nationals of selling drugs in Jeffreys Bay, saying it is making crime worse.
Ilizwe lethu liyaphasalala abantu bokufika and okwesibini abantu bokufika basathathelwa imisebenzi abantu bakuthi ke abasebenzi eyona nto ke i-worse and worse ikukuthengiswa kwe-drugs suka abantu bangapha kuthi bazothengisa ii-drugs kwilizwe lethu. Namhlanje abantwana bethu sibabiza baba ngamaphara ngegama esingalaziyo uba lisuka phi lenziwa ngabantu bokufika. Now ke ithi ngolo nto leyo ngoku siye sathatha isigqibo emveni kwezi matshi usuka nge-30 kaJuni siye sathatha isigqibo singabahlali into yoba ke ngoku masifikele esigqibeni into yoba sithi le matshi yokugqibela siyabacela ke abantu bokufika hayi kakuba silwi nabo sithi mabahambe.
Residents of Ocean View and Pelsaras say they will continue marching until undocumented foreign nationals leave Jeffreys Bay. Reporting for MPK TV News, I am Jessica Bobo in Jeffreys Bay.